na kami sa anong gustong puntahan ng anak ko. So, dito tayo. Dami. Ang laki nitong mall na to. Anong pangalan ng mall nito, ata? What's the name of the mall? Ah?
Block 37.
Oh, Block 37. Actually, nandiyan yung pangalan. Block 37. So, nandito lahat ng mga baby king. So, yeah. So, dito, alam mo, mas gusto nila talaga magwara-wara kami sa downtown. So, where are we going now? Vending machine? Oh, what about this one? What is this? Oh. So, anyway, gusto daw bumili ng anak ko ng boba. Is that? We call it boba? Boba? What is it? Where is it? Boba. Tawanan ako ng anak ko, boba. This is a drink, right? So, ayan dyan. Yun ang vending machine dyan. So, anyway, yan. Dalawang anak. Ayaw nila magpakuha ng anak. So, anyway. So, dito nag-iintay kami tatso. So, kakarating lang namin dito. So, dahil anong oras na kami yung umalis ng bahay, mag-ano na lang muna kami. Kakain muna kami bago kami mag-shopping. Sa machine na kami nagkuha na kami. Okay. Ayan. Kukuha na kami. So, I got the taro one. Boba. Taro.
Actually, I think I want this. You don't know that I want to
Get it? Oh, are you gonna be Vietnamese coffee at it? Wow.
I got it last time.
And you like it? It's good? What? Wow. $5? $5 each? $5.50? Whoa. Really? Okay, doesn't matter. I love purple. I like blue. Blue. You know blue. Doesn't matter. This one is doesn't matter. Okay, thank you, Anak. Alright, so we're here. It's really, really, really good, guys. The taro. Boba taro, right? So we're thinking to get superfoods which or salad wrap. Anyway, yeah, this is gonna do. We have to pick what one we like, and you're gonna have to write it down. Hindi ba? Exciting.
It's so terrible.
Yung aming sandwich. So ready to eat na kami. Kain tayo. Good. Also, I like the bread. Oh, really? The same bread? So very large size siya. So very natin. inside now mga guys after we eat our lunch. Or after we're done. So ito naman kami. Kasi gusto ng mga anak ko ay punta ng shopping. Shopping daw kami dito sa downtown. So ito yung downtown natin. Sa may Street. Sa may Street kami. In Washington. Anyway, nabusog din ako sa mga sandwich na sinain namin. So we are going to cross the street. So which one? I don't know which one we are going. It's a nice day to punta dito sa downtown mga dear kasi hindi masyadong Uniqlo, that's what? That's Uniqlo. And then Nordstrom Rack. You wanna go to Nordstrom? I don't think we're allowed to bring our drinks inside.
Let's just see.
Yes, no, you can bring out here for sure. I think I'm gonna finish my drinks. The problem is where we can find the You wanna watch a movie? Right there.
In the Chicago theater is different than Hollywood.
Oh, that's not a movie?
Or maybe it is, I don't know. You could have asked us when we were about 37. This way.
Lot 37?
They have a theater.
Oh, yeah?
And it's like a diner.
Oh.
It's not really expensive. Oh, sorry. But it's like a diner, so like you have reclining chairs.
Oh.
And you can like eat over there. Cool.
Very cool. So we are like here going to Riverworld. So this is perfect day. It's not that hot, right guys? Really? No, I feel okay.
Yeah.
But honestly, this is much better. Much better than the other day. The other day,
Should we just go to the alley? Yes.
yeah, the other day it was like a few days ago. Ang init talaga. So today is better. Kasi ako palagi na araw-araw sa labas. Kaya makukumpare ko yung init. Yung weather. So ayan. Train station din ata yan. So I don't know. Parang iba naman ang way ng train dyan. Yan ang ating tour bus. Accountants advisor. Yan ang pangalan. Pero tour bus yan. Diba? So, ay hindi pa tayo makatawid, anak. Yeah, waiting for the walk signal. There we go. So we can cross. So this is the yes. Look at that, 4 people. Not those people. Diba mga dear? So dito na tayo sa may malapit sa Riverwalk. I guess. I Actually, nakakatuwa pumunta dito sa downtown lalo pag hindi masyadong mainit or panahon na hindi masyadong malamig kasi there's a lot of things that you can see na hindi mo makita araw-araw. So, actually, where's the river walk, anak?
Right there.
Is that the one?
The blue thing. Just the walk over there.
Oh, wow! Yay! We can go the river walk. This is the first time I go there. Was the one that yung pinuntahan natin last time, kung saan ako nag punta-punta is oh, sure. Punta-punta ay doon, banda yun. Kung saan yung parang green na or blue na building. Banda doon ako nun. So, ito tayo. Yes, perfect. Dito tayo mga. Yes, so, ang ganda-ganda. Oh, diba? Diba? Kung gaano kakanda dito yun. So, anyway. Oh, we can cross now. Anyway, sa kadal-dal ko dito naman. So we can go down the river. Yeah. This is fun. So bababa tayo. Ganda, ganda. Okay, ito na dito. Yan. Mayroong anuhan dito, yung rental ng boat. Pwede ka mag-rent ng boat dito. Ayan. So, super daming tao. May restaurant pala dito. Anyway. Medyo na kasi medyo malayo-layo kasi kaysa pinuntahan namin kanina. Kumain kami ng sandwich. So, gano'n pa ganda. Tingnan natin dito muna. Diba mga dear? So, yun ang hitsura ng ating river walk. Oh, dito tayo? Wow! This is beautiful and relaxing kasi because there's not this is yeah, you can rent the boat here. Oh, okay. So, yung river walk na sinasabi ay doon kami, yung doon tayo sa may tulay kung saan yung bandang doon may malayo-layo yung daanan ng bus kung saan yung maraming ano. Alam nyo, napaka-relaxing kasi yung hangin niya sarap. At that's not bad today than the other day. So, red boat. Di ba mga dear? Ang ganda. Yes. A water taxi. Oh yeah, water taxi. Woo! I didn't see that. Wow! I got a water taxi here mga guys. Oh boy. This is kahit na hindi tayo mag-sasakay dyan kasi medyo ka-expensive din mga dear, you know? So, ma-enjoy ka na rin sa mga makikita mo. Ayan siya, Chicago Classic Lady. Architect Toys, architectural.com. You know. So, di ba? Mayroon din silang toy doon. Yan, masarap. Yan, ganda. Ganda dito. Ang daming naglalakad. Super. Ang beautiful Chicago. the water. So clean. Blue, right? Pero matabang lang ito mga dear. Matabang lang ito. Pero very bluish and green and so clean. Diba mga dear? Ito yung mga sasabi natin ang ganda ng ano, ipapasyal natin dito. Paikot-ikot kasama yung family mo. Ikot-ikot lang kahit hindi kayo sumakay ng boat. Super, ganda. So, uupo mo lang daw kami muna kasi napapagod na sila. So, anyway, upo muna kami dito. So, this is nice. Very, very nice. Relaxing. Building, diba? Tapos iyan mga dear, isipin mo, parking ano lang yan, parking lang. Tapos yung pinakataas, parang offices siya. Yung may mga halaman or not really sure, maybe apartments also, guys. Ano yan, diba? Oo, nakakatakot tingnan yung mga dear kasi sa taas-taas ng building, tapos ganyan ang itsura, ba diba? Nakakatawa tingnan lang.
I'll get it.
Where's that? Taxi boat. Rosie loves to walk over here too. Wow, this is so fun. I wish our dog.
I mean, it's outdoors.
Yay! Very fun. So, what do you wanna do now, guys? Can we keep walking? Come on, so we can go over there and then come back. Nothing to see over there, not more.
Yeah, we can still keep walking. I think we will soon.
Oh, okay. So,
you know.
you wanna? Okay. So, actually, ito yung nagpunta ako last time, pero hindi ako bumaba dito. Doon ako dati. So, hindi ako bumaba dito. So, yes.
One day we should take that. Basically, you ride the boat, and as you ride it,
Yeah. I know, I saw the boat that was in church at the picture. This a guy was explaining. Yes. Yeah. Yep. Oh, look at that. You want me to go to walk over there? It's okay? And you guys okay here? Alright, so napagod na sila maglalakad. So ako na lang maglalakad mga dear. So I'm just going to show you over there. Kasi mas maganda kasi makita nyo rin ang iba dito, di ba? So ayan. Yan, mga canoeing, no? So ayan, so punta tayo doon. Walk by tayo dito. So ayan. More sighting. Right? So mayroon ditong Riverwalk Cafe. So ang dami ditong pwedeng pagkainan mga dear. ng ano, nagpa-picture. So dito muna tayo. I show you yung saan kasi ako nagpunta last time. Ayan mga dear, sa kita yung dilaw na boat. Yan, Chicago Water Taxi. O, di ba mga dear, so mayroon na water taxi dito. Ayan. So, dito tayo sa marketplace area. Oh, marami dito. Let's see. Is that allowed to go down? So, parang mayroon din kainan dito sa loob. It's on the river. So, mayroon siyang ano. So, i-check natin dito lahat. Dito lang naman tayo para mag-enjoy sa lakad-lakad. Oh. So, may mga t-shirt dito na binibinta. Ayan, ganyan lang siya. So, may restaurant din dito sa labas, mga dear. O, parang, yan. So, yan, dyan ako galing. Nung last time tayo nagwara-wara. So, dyan ako naghintay ng bus. O, dyan ako nagkumuha ng sa kabilang side. Ito yung side na so, how fun is that? So anyway, may music na naman tayo dito. Lalayo tayo dito ng konti. So balikan na natin yung aking mga anak. Kasi medyo napalayo ata ang lakad ko, mga dear. So ayan, no? So iwan ko. This is fun, mga dear. So far is so good. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Punta ka lang dito, mag-enjoy ka na. Ayan, di ba, oh? Yung mga balikan ko yung mga ayan, may boat ka, tapos mayroon kang pagkain dyan na magdala ka ng baon. Yung isang bossing ko ng Wednesday, may sarili silang boat. Mga at least 15 people ata magkasi yung boat nila. Palagi kami niyayawaya doon, pero nahiyaman na ako, mga dear. So, madami pang ano dito, gaganapan. Madaming tao. Alright. So there's a water taxi. Water taxi. Wow. Take a picture. Ayan, dumaan tayo ng ABC Channel. ABC Channel. Radio. O channel, di ba? ABC channel. So, yan yung ano nila. Ayan. ABC. Diba? Ang ganda, diba? ABC channel. Grabe ang lakad namin today. Super enjoy much ka. Kasi kasama ko yung mga anak ko, mga dear. Yes. Lakad-lakad tayo. More. Lakad-lakad more. Para